What if you could grow endless fresh vegetables? No soil, just water. Sounds wild, but it's real. Today I'll show you how to turn kitchen scraps into a mini farm on your windowsill. I picked 5 common veggies and I'm bringing them back to life, right in water. No mess, no garden, just jars and sunlight. Ready to see which ones regrow? Let's dive in. First up, green onions. They're delicious and super easy to regrow at home. Don't toss those white root ends. They're the secret to endless green onions. Place them in a jar, cover the roots with water, and set it on a sunny windowsill. In just a few days, you'll see new green shoots popping up. Snip what you need, and the plant will keep growing. It's the ultimate kitchen hack, fresh green onions, over and over. Next, the heart of a head of lettuce, usually trash, now treasure. Place the base in a shallow bowl with just enough water to cover the bottom. Give it sunlight, and in a week, you'll see new leaves sprouting. Turn leftovers into a steady supply of fresh lettuce for sandwiches and salads. It's recycling at its tastiest. Let's see if this stump can really come back to life. Now, celery. Chop off the stalks, save the base. Set it in a bowl with an inch of water, place it in a sunny spot. In days, new leaves and stalks start to grow from the center. No garden needed, just water and patience. Fresh celery leaves for soups and snacks, straight from your counter. Let's see if this veggie can rise again. Love fresh herbs? Basil is perfect for this. Take a stem, cut below a leaf node, strip lower leaves and place in water. Only the stem should be submerged. Leaves stay dry. In a week or two, roots will appear. Keep it in water for endless basil. Snip leaves as needed, no more wilted herbs in the fridge. Works for mint and oregano too. Gourmet flavor, zero waste. Did you know you can grow fresh food from a single garlic clove? Just place a clove in a shot glass with a little water, flat end down. Soon, you'll see a green shoot sprout up. These garlic greens are perfect for salads, stir-fries, or as a garnish, fresh, mild, and full of flavor. In just a week, you'll have a vibrant, edible plant. Proof that even kitchen scraps can become something delicious. After just 1 week, look at these results. Green onions, lettuce, celery, basil, and garlic all regrowing. It's amazing how much growth you can get from kitchen scraps with just water and patience. We created a mini farm using leftover vegetable ends and water. It's like having a tiny garden on your kitchen counter. This method is easy, fun, and sustainable. Anyone can do it. Kids, adults, beginners, or seasoned gardeners. Give it a try. Pick your favorite veggie, grab a jar, add water, and start your own windowsill garden. Change the water every few days to keep your plants healthy. Enjoy fresh homegrown food from your windowsill. Which veggie are you excited to regrow first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, sustainable ideas. Happy growing!